Hello guys, in Dollar General I got this lamp which is Himalayan salt lamp by True Living and it was $8. It has color changing, wow. And it says it's natural ionizes freshness air. It has USB 2 and 3 compatible, built-in USB power cord. I thought it's normal. Himalayan natural salt lamp. Laptop PC, USB charger, power bank, car charger. Made from authentic Himalayan salt. Cleanses air and eliminates odor. Hand carved USB power LEDs last up to this much hours. I thought it's and if it's worth that $8. So let's unbox it. Ta-da! Heavy. And here is the instruction. Okay. So this is how it looks. This is the salt. It's covered with salt. Here is base. Made in Pakistan. Let's see. Powered by USB. Actually, I need some charger, like they said, to be able to use it. And it maybe just short time I can use it here on the desk. But first, let's open this. Yeah, so it comes with USB. Remove. And we have USB. And we have some foil around it. So let's remove it. Wow, it's really a rock of salt. From Himalaya. So wait. So ta-da! Oh, the switch. So here it is. I will turn off light. Wow, that's cool. I connected it to my computer here, to this dock, and let me turn off other things, like even this laptop. Maybe let's close it and see how much light it gives. Not much. Guess it can be like kind of. Oh, I like the red and orange or pink. pink and this light color. Now it's much red. Green so-so. Now it's blue, orange or yellow. Oh, but it doesn't use too much energy. I guess it's nice, but I thought it would be connected, you know, through normal contact. Wow, cool. Here are my AirPods, mouse, case. But yeah, that's lumber's cool. I like it, but it's very small, and for $80, I guess that's the size you get. But let's see how much they are on Amazon. Because I'm packing often, not often, but sometimes. Salt lamp. Oh yeah, I see them. Oh, $25 for 7 to 8 inches to 9 inches. Yeah, and they also change colors. Oh, there's one for $18. Or $13. And they even have similar look as mine. Are they all USB charged or not? Have to check. On Amazon, people saying that it's sometimes fire hazard, so I don't know. But here I don't think it is, because the ones on Amazon have different plug. They have corded with normal plug, and this one is USB. Maybe there would be something wrong with it. And I will not keep it all the time, just maybe for some sitting near it, and will be observing situation. Do not keep it unoccupied, you know. And it would be fire hazard. Yeah, so maybe I would better plug it to just charger, not computer. Actually, I feel like air getting better quality already. Like my nose getting like cleaner, or like easier to breathe. Oh yeah, and I just wanted to show you. Some people in comments complain that it's dirty. My nose is a little dirty, yeah. See? But it's the way it is. If you would want super clear, I would have to somehow clean this, and then salt would melt. That's why I think it's the way it have to be. But yeah, I think it's nice decorational piece. if you want in-house, but I don't know if the ones for Dollar General are so good because they have that branded. But if you want better cord, like you know, the one that you can plug into the wall and get the other kind, because this from Dollar General only have. Here it is again. Nice. Okay, I go watch vlog.